Booking a flight for an international student Canada is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can book a flight for an international student in Canada. So the process is pretty basic and simple. So you just have to go to their website and start booking your flight. It will do the same as the normal booking. You just start booking the flight. You have to select from where you want to go and to where you want to go. You just have to select the dates as well, and you just need to start searching for flights, and you can easily make the booking. But remember, you are a student, you want to do this thing in cheaper. So I'm going to tell you how you guys can get the cheaper flights. So for that, I'm going to tell you some facts or some tips that you can use to get cheaper flight. So the first thing is, the flight usually on longer weekends or normal weekends is expensive. So you just have to try to find the flight when no one is traveling. When no one is traveling in their flights, they try to make the tickets cheaper so that more people can travel. So you just need to find the days in which a lot of people are not traveling. You will probably able to find the cheaper ticket. And the second thing you can do is you can make a pre-booking, and you have to keep on checking the dates, and you have to keep on checking the prices of the same flight again and again and again every day till your flight date. You might be able to find the cheaper ticket someday, so you just have to cancel your previous booking and you have to make a new booking with the new prices. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can travel as an international student in Canada. Hope you guys find this video helpful.